Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the updated swing trading strategy using CPR and relative strength indicator. So let's get started. So firstly, we will discuss about the setup and requirements. So for this strategy, we need three indicators. One is CPR, which is CPR by KGS. Then we need one RS indicator, which is static and adaptive RS by Bharat Trader. And the another indicator which I am using is 200 days EMA. So now I'll show you all these three in trading view. So I have applied three indicators. One is CPR by KGS, and here I am only using the monthly pivots. Okay. The other indicator is 200 days EMA. So here you can see I have only applied EMA 4, which is 200 days EMA, and the third indicator is static and adaptive RS. So here I am only using static RS with static period as 55. Okay, so all these indicators you can find in public library. So here you can just search CPR by KGS, and another is static and adaptive relative strength by Bharat Trader. So this was about the indicators. And for stock screening, I'm using stock cage, so wherein we are checking high delivery volume stocks and 52-week high range stock. If you want to see how I filter stock using stock cage, then you can watch my video, which is video number 5. So for more details, you can refer this video. So let's move on. Coming to the entry criteria now. So I will be entering in any of the stock if all of these conditions are met. The first condition is the stock should be trading in 52-week high range, that means plus minus 20% each. Then a relative strength should be positive, that is the RS line should be above 0 line. Then stock should be about 100 days exponential moving average. Then CPR should be recently changed to uptrending, and it should have shown recently high delivery volume. So all these 5 criteria are nothing but just for filtering the stock, and actual entry will be taken in the stock only when stock is bouncing back from the CPR level. So I'll just show you this in one example. So in one of my video number 6, I have discussed this stock Kaplan point. So we'll just see this example. So in this stock I had taken entry on this day, which was 10th of July. So coming back to our entry criteria, stock should be trading in the 52-week high range. Then if you see here, the stock was trading in 52-week high range, that means in plus minus 20% range. Then the second criteria was stock should be RS positive. So you can see the RS was positive in this stock from Friday, we can see 7 June onwards. Then the next criteria is stock should be about 100 days EMA. So this white line you can see is the EMA line. So stock was about this 100 days EMA. Then CPR should be recently changed to uptrending. So you can see firstly CPR was in the downtrend. These 3 pink lines is the CPR, and then in the July month CPR changed to uptrend. And also it should show recent high delivery volume. So you can see here on this day, Monday 10th of June, it had shown high volumes. So all first 5 criteria were met in this stock, and then you can see the stock went up, then it came down and it bounced back from these 3 pink lines, that is CPR level. So this is what our entry criteria is. We will buy the stock when the stock is bouncing from the CPR level. So on this day you can see CPR has bounced from CPR level, and the next day I have taken entry in this stock. So that was about the entry criteria. Then we'll come to the stop loss. So we will place our stop loss on the BC, that means bottom CPR, or we can place stop loss at the S1 level or 200 days EMA, depending on whichever is low. So in this case you can see I had taken stop loss as S1 level, which was coming around 15%. So earlier I used to have larger stop loss, but now I have decided to keep lower stop loss. So that's why we will be keeping stop loss around 9% to 10%, and the risk to reward ratio will be 1:2.25. So in this trade we can keep stop loss around BC level, that is the bottom CPR, and which was coming around 9, almost 8.5 to 9%, and our target would be 2.25, which was around 20%, so which was already met. So that's it about the stop loss and the exit criteria. So firstly, if our trade is not going in the right direction, then we will exit the stock if stock is giving closing below our initial stop loss level, that is either bottom CPR or S1 level or 200 days exponential moving average. In other scenario, if our target is met, then we will exit around 80% of our holdings from the stock, taking around 2.25x profit. Rest 20% holdings we will trail until the uptrend is intact, that means CPR uptrend is intact, and only if the stock gives closing below BC, that means bottom CPR or S1 or 200 days EMA level, then only we will fully exit the stock. So yeah, that's it for the exit strategy. So guys, from now on I will be following this updated strategy on this channel, wherein we are using combination of CPR and RS indicator. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.